Are you struggling to write perfect methodology? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through smart strategies to write methodology in such a way so that it not only interests you, but also grabs your supervisor's attention. Let's make your dissertation the strongest part of your academic journey. Watch till the end for bonus topic hacks. Don't forget to subscribe for more dissertation tips and academic success strategies. Need expert help with your dissertation? WhatsApp us anytime at +1 646 948 8918. Visit https://www.assignmentconsultancy.com. Dissertation services. Just ping us in the comments or WhatsApp for any help or questions you have. The methodology chapter plays a critical role in any dissertation, showing how the research is designed to address specific questions. This section should begin by stating the purpose and rationale behind the selected research method. You must also clearly identify your research questions to align the rest of your methodology to them. Depending on whether your approach is quantitative, qualitative, or mixed, structure your chapter to reflect data collection methods, sampling technique, and data analysis procedures. Quantitative studies often include surveys and statistical tools, while qualitative ones use interviews, observations, and thematic analysis. Keep your structure clear and focused. Start each section with a heading and always explain why a certain choice was made. This shows academic depth and critical thinking. Use references to support your methodology decisions. A well-organized and justified methodology not only strengthens your dissertation's credibility, but also makes it easier for your readers and assessors to follow your research journey. Understanding the difference between quantitative and qualitative research is essential for selecting the right methodology. Quantitative research is used when you want measurable, numerical data, ideal for hypothesis testing and large-scale surveys. Qualitative research is more exploratory and subjective, ideal for gaining deep insights into behaviors or motivations, often using interviews or focus groups. Mixed methods combine both for a comprehensive view. The key to selecting the right one lies in your research questions. If you're measuring impact, a quantitative approach fits best. If you're exploring lived experiences, qualitative is more appropriate. Mixed methods are powerful, but time-consuming. Be sure to justify your choice in terms of validity, reliability, and practical feasibility. A chart comparing the methods can help readers visually grasp the difference. For high grades, explain how your chosen method will effectively answer your research questions and provide credible, valid results. Research philosophy underpins how you view knowledge creation in your study. Positivism assumes an objective reality that can be measured, ideal for quantitative methods like experiments or surveys. Interpretivism believes that reality is subjective, shaped by individual experiences, perfect for qualitative studies that involve human perspectives, such as interviews. Pragmatism allows flexibility by mixing methods based on what works best. Choose your philosophy based on your research objectives and questions. For instance, if you are analyzing statistical trends across a large population, positivism aligns well. However, if you're exploring emotional responses or lived experiences, interpretivism is better suited. Always explain your choice and back it with academic references. Link your philosophical stance to your methodology decisions, such as data collection, analysis, and sampling. A high-quality methodology chapter ties everything, philosophy, approach, and tools, into one coherent narrative that justifies your research design with confidence and clarity. Choosing and justifying your data collection method is a vital part of your methodology. Common techniques include surveys, for Quant, interviews and focus groups, for Qual, and observations, for behavioral research. Clearly state what tool you are using and why. For example, surveys may allow you to reach a wider audience, while interviews may offer richer, in-depth insights. If your study involves both methods, explain how each contributes to the findings. Make sure to discuss reliability, how consistent the tool is, and validity, whether it actually measures what it intends to. Pilot testing your tool helps identify issues beforehand. In your writing, describe how you conducted the pilot and what changes you made. Real examples can help. Mention a similar study that used the same tools. These details show your planning, rigor, and awareness of methodological best practices, which are critical for achieving high marks. Sampling is a crucial component of the methodology. Define your sampling method: probability, random, stratified, or non-probability, purposive, snowball. Choose based on the nature and aims of your study. For example, purposive sampling is ideal for qualitative research targeting specific participant traits. Clearly mention your sample size and explain why it is adequate. Discuss how you gained access to participants, e.g., email invitations, institutional contacts. Importantly, cover ethics in detail: informed consent, confidentiality, and data protection. State if you obtained ethical approval from a university committee or an external review board. Describe how participants were informed about the study's aim and how they could withdraw at any time. This assures the reader of the research's integrity. Including ethics shows you're aware of academic responsibilities and enhances the trustworthiness of your dissertation. It's not just about ticking boxes, it strengthens your study's credibility. To write a high-scoring methodology chapter, structure is everything. Use clear headings and subheadings, such as research design, sampling, and data collection, to guide the reader. Every choice you make, research philosophy, approach, data tools, and sampling, should be backed with academic references. Avoid vague or generic explanations. For example, rather than saying interviews were used, explain why and how they align with your objectives. Referring to real dissertation samples can be extremely helpful. Many universities have open access repositories. Use those examples to model layout and tone. Finally, download a well-designed methodology template to organize your content. A Google Docs or Word template like bit.ly methodology template ensures your structure stays consistent and professional. This extra level of preparation can significantly improve clarity and coherence. Remember, structure plus justification plus presentation, distinction level chapter.